Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials: a 8 GB USB and a Windows 10 ISO. Run Rufus as administrator so it can write the drive properly. Once open, select your USB on the device menu and click Select to load the ISO. Make sure to back up any files on the stick. Writing will erase it. You're starting the write process now because Rufus verifies the image and sets boot flags automatically, which is why we pick the correct USB before changing partition options. Next, focus on the partition and file system choices. They determine how the PC will boot. If the target machine uses UEFI, pick GPT and FAT32 when possible. For older BIOS, pick MBR. Use NTFS only if the install WIM exceeds 4 GB. Rufus can split or use NTFS for that. Once settings match the target system, click Start and confirm the warnings. Rufus will format, copy, and write boot code. Monitor the progress bar and ensure no interruptions, because power loss corrupts the USB. Once Rufus finishes, close the app and safely eject the drive. Insert the USB into the target PC and use the boot menu or BIOS to select the USB device. Keys vary by vendor. Make sure USB boot is enabled and, if necessary, disable secure boot temporarily to allow older installers to run. If the system won't boot, recreate the media with a different partition scheme or file system, try a different USB port, or verify the ISO checksum. These steps resolve most boot failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.